Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Madic from Bitrue to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're new to this or just want a quick refresh, you're in the right spot. Madic, the native token of the Polygon network, is super popular for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it from an exchange like Bitrue to a secure wallet like Trust Wallet is a smart move for long-term holding. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Bitrue account with some Madic, and that Trust Wallet is installed on your phone with a Polygon network added. Always double-check your wallet address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Let's jump into the steps. First, log in to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Madic balance. Next, click on Withdraw for Madic. You'll need to select the Polygon network. Don't mix this up with Ethereum, as that could lead to lost funds. Now, enter your Trust Wallet address. To get this, open Trust Wallet, go to the Madic section, tap on Receive, and copy the address. Paste it into Bitrue, then specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which are usually pretty low on Polygon. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Trust Wallet and refresh your Madic balance to see it arrive. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your Madic. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network and verify addresses multiple times. If you're unsure, test with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.